In this problem, we want to find the slope and y-intercept of each line, and then graph it. So we got y is equal to negative 5x. Now, we want to put it in slope-intercept form. That allows us to get slope and y-intercept real easy. Slope-intercept form says you solve for y. Now, if I were strictly putting it in that form, this would be negative 5x plus 0, because our slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. Now, if you got it in slope-intercept form, then the number that's before your x is going to be your slope. So m is equal to negative 5. And your number at the end is going to be your y-intercept, which in this case would be 0. Now to graph these, you want to put your slope in fraction form. You can always create a fraction by putting it over 1. So m is equal to negative 5 over 1. Remember, this is a change in y over change in x. So this is change in y, this is change in x. Now negative 5 means I'm going to go down 5. If it's a positive 5, it means we go up 5. Down here, since this is a positive 1, that means we go right 1. If it was a negative 1, then we go left 1. To graph this, we're going to go put a point at our y-intercept, which is at 0. And from there, we're going to go down 5, right 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay. So down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 1. And that's where we put our second point. Now, after you get to both points there, then you draw a line through them. And that's your answer. Now, to graph this on our graphing calculator, y is equal to negative 5x. I press y equals, press clear. Since this dash is at the very beginning of our problem, it's a negative, which is on the bottom row. It's not a minus. So do negative 5x and then graph. And that'll give us the same graph that we got here. And you just sketch down what you see on your calculator, and that'd be your answer.